Okay, all right. What's up, YouTube? This is Boogie G at Boogie G Motorsports. We have gotten the motor out of this 67 Ford F100. We got the engine transmission out of it. Yeah, that's the heartbeat of it. Yeah, see how it's looking. And we're gonna throw some paint on him and have him looking real nice. Y'all can see in the inside of him how he's looking a little plain, but we're gonna make sure we take care of that. It's a good friend of mine's truck. We want to go ahead and make it look good, spend a little money in it, and we're gonna make sure we get him where he's supposed to be. So we got the engine. It's a 351 Cleveland. I told y'all about that earlier. And go ahead and show you. We got it sitting on the floor. We're ready to put it on the engine stand. We're gonna do some rebuilding to it. Throw a little cam in him, paint him up, looking good. Put a little serpentine system on him. So he's gonna look good. So yeah, y'all. In the hours to come, we're gonna show you. We're gonna make him look nice, put him together for him, and send him home. All right. Peace, YouTube. We'll see you soon.